This plane has an attitude.
Hold it.
The jet talks to you. The way it's designed, you can look outside and you can feel the energy state of the jet. I'm Jason Dotter. I go by Mongoose, and I'm an F-15 experimental test pilot. I'm watching airspeed, altitude, and just pulling for as hard as you can.
I'm Mike Guazzini. I go by Houdini. I'm a flight test weapon systems operator on the F-15. This is a heavy fighter. I want the crowd to know how much better this aircraft is than the previous F-15.
Not only is the Eagle still relevant, the Eagle is still cutting edge. This jet represents air dominance.